Hey everybody, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades. And this week's trade of the week is a very volatile energy report that a lot of people are afraid to trade. Our good friend Doc from the Villages in Florida, a regular trader, remember, was trading the oil inventory report. You could see our orders go on the charts. The oil inventory data is going to come out. The price explodes and it goes through the first targets right here. It goes through the second target right there. And he's going to manage the trade so that the moment it's done now. He made $330 in less than 10 seconds. $330, less than 10 seconds. Then when the price reversed, he made another $300. Let me show you his trade one more time. Remember our software, and we are using NinjaTrader as the platform, trading futures. It puts those little X's on the chart. Those are his orders. The price explodes through his orders, creating targets. It then hits two of the targets immediately. He manages the trade for a real sweet profit. Trade's now over $330. Then when price reversed, he used our software to use the reversal feature in our software, and he made another $300 on the trade. So this week's members trade of the week is the oil inventory report. Doc from the Villages in Florida, thanks for sending your video to us. And don't forget, we're having a big sale on our monthly membership. Check this email for the link. You can join us, learn how to do this, and spend a month with us every month going forward. We'd love to have you in the trade room. Leigh Goldstein signing out for 10-Minute Trades.